Optimize strategy parameters and automate execution. Following a trading strategy can build consistency and help you become a more disciplined trader. But how do you know that your strategy is performing as well as it possibly could? Can you tweak strategy parameters to increase its potential profitability? TradeStation's strategy optimization can help you test a series of parameters and identify the inputs that may improve your strategy's performance. Once you have identified optimal inputs, TradeStation will allow you to automate the execution of your trading strategy without emotion clouding your judgment or decision-making. Let's take a closer look at the process of optimizing strategies and automating their execution in the TradeStation desktop platform. Before you can optimize a strategy, we first need to place the strategy on a chart. To demonstrate, let's apply a simple moving average strategy to our daily chart of Tesla. In the Add Strategy dialog, we will select the Moving Average Cross Long entry, which generates a long entry when the stock's price moves above a simple moving average, and Moving Average Cross Long Exit, which will exit the position should the price cross again below the moving average. Once both strategies are on the chart, we can view the entries and exits throughout the historical data. The default input for the average is 9 periods. And you can see its performance by clicking Data and selecting Strategy Performance Report. But how do we know if that is the best parameter for the strategy? What if we changed the periods of the moving average to 18? Would that have given us better results? This is where optimization becomes helpful. To begin the optimization process, we click Studies, Edit Strategies, and Customize Strategies one by one. Highlighting Moving Average Cross Long entry and selecting Customize will open a menu where you can see the default input for the moving average under length. We can select the value of 9 and choose Optimize. In this menu, we will choose the minimum and maximum values of the inputs to be tested, and we can also choose the incremental steps the testing will use. Let's begin with a 5-period moving average and test up to a 25-period, incrementing the tested values by 1. Click OK, and let's do the same for the Moving Average Cross Long Exit. Once highlighted, click Customize, click the length of 9, and click Optimize. We'll use the same range of values and increments for the long exit. Now let's check the optimization settings. The method selected is exhaustive, so it will test every single parameter combination. Here we see the total number of tests that will be run. And the type is standard, so all the historical data will be used for testing during optimization. Please search our help files for documentation on other optimization types and methods. Once ready, click Optimize. The process is quick, and we can view the results of the optimization by clicking Data and selecting Strategy Optimization Report. The report will show the best 200 results based on a user-defined fitness factor. The default metric is net profit. You may change this by clicking Settings, Preferences, and choosing a fitness function in the Strategy tab. Now, let's rank the results based on net profit and identify the most profitable input combination. Double-clicking on the column header for all net profit once to sort in ascending order, and double-click again to sort in descending order. Now, the parameter combinations with the most net profit will be at the top of the list. We also see the row for the best result shaded in light gray, meaning that it's been selected and already applied to the strategy. If we go back to Edit Strategies, we will see that the strategies have already been changed to that length. Of course, if you would prefer an input combination that worked better on a different performance metric, such as win-to-lose ratio or percent profitability, you can go back to the optimization report, sort by that column, identify the best resulting parameters, right-click on the row, and select Apply Test to Chart. Keep in mind that the optimization process will curve-fit your strategy's performance to historical data. Ensure you're performing multiple tests on data that the strategy hasn't seen to make sure the performance is consistent. Once you're confident in your strategy and have tested its robustness, you can set the strategy to be automatically executed. There are several levels of automation available in TradeStation. The levels depend on whether you want to fully automate the strategy with no trader intervention or still have some confirmations enabled prior to the orders being placed. Keep in mind that you are ultimately responsible for any trades you authorize the platform to make, whether you have any confirmation enabled. If you have a strategy on a chart, the chart will display the letters SA in the top left corner. It will be black lettering with a dark gray background when disabled. The colors will change based on the status of the strategy. On the Edit Strategies menu, you will see a couple of checkboxes under Automation. Keep in mind that automation will apply to all the strategies listed in this dialog. If you select the first checkbox, a strategy order would be generated when any of the strategies trigger an entry or exit signal. These orders are only for visibility. You would still have to verify the order information and decide whether you want to manually place the order into the market yourself. All strategy-generated orders will be visible in the Strategy Orders tab of the Trade Manager app. The SA indicator would be a lighter gray if the automation is active. Let's take this one step further and select the second checkbox under Automation. This will allow the strategy to automatically execute an order to either enter or exit a position from a strategy-generated signal. A pop-up disclaimer will appear describing the risks involved with the order automation process, and you must agree before the platform can activate automation. By default, confirmations are turned on, and you must acknowledge them before each order becomes live in the market. Once you click OK, the strategy automation will be active, and the SA indication on the chart will appear green with yellow lettering. This level of automation still requires some human intervention to confirm the orders prior to placement. It is possible to automate strategies fully and have the orders placed immediately once a signal has been triggered. In the Edit Strategies menu, traders can turn off the order confirmation if they choose to. Before you disable the order confirmation, you must again agree to a disclosure acknowledging that you are aware of what you are doing and understand the risks involved. If you agree to this, your strategy is now fully automated and will fire off live orders when strategy conditions are met. The SA indication on the chart will still have a green background, but the lettering will be red, indicating the fully automated mode. Some key things to remember about automating strategies is that changing the symbol or time frame will affect automation, and you will be prompted to confirm the automation changes. TradeStation must also be running for strategy automation to work. If you attempt to close the platform or work offline, you will be met with a warning that the strategies will no longer be able to calculate and generate trades. Strategy optimization and automation are key TradeStation desktop features for any trader who wishes to develop strategies, fine-tune parameters, and automate order execution. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and happy trading!